Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Department of Mathematics, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now we are going to discuss an example of obtaining Fourier transformation of sine hyperbolic AT into sine AT. If it would be plus or minus in between these two terms, would have applied Laplace transform directly. But since it is a product of the two terms, one is hyperbolic and one is trigonometric, we need to solve this example after a simplification. It can be simplified. Sin AT cannot be changed, but sin hyperbolic AT can be expressed in terms of exponential. Okay, so what we do, we consider this whole thing as f of t, that is sin hyperbolic AT into sin AT. Further, I will be taking it as sin hyperbolic AT will be expressed in terms of e raised to AT minus e raised to minus AT divided by 2 into sin AT. Fine. Therefore, f of t is equal to 1 divided by 2 will be taken outside as a common term. Then e raised to AT into sin AT. Sin AT, okay, minus e raised to minus AT into sin AT. Fine. Now apply Laplace on both sides. Then it becomes Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 2 into Laplace transformation of e raised to AT into sin AT minus Laplace transform of e raised to minus AT into sin AT. Now there are two ways. One, you consider both the terms independently, solve first term, then second term, then subtract. Or else I'll give you a trick where directly it can be implemented. How directly it can be implemented? See, this is equal to 1 by 2 is a common term, keep it outside. When it is a product of exponential and trigonometric, other than exponential, whatever is there, that will be considered as a basic function and its Laplace transform will be calculated first. Then where this exponential goes? This exponential implies like s is going to be replaced by s minus a. Okay, means this result, whatever the result is there, that is going to be delayed by a, minus this other term will be taken as Laplace transformation of sin AT, where s is going to be replaced by s plus a. Means whatever the result we get for this will be advanced with a. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is the Laplace transformation of sin AT? Laplace transformation of sin AT is already known, that is a divided by s square plus a square, where s is going to be replaced by s minus a. Similarly here, the Laplace transformation of sin AT is a divided by s square plus a square, where s is going to be replaced by s plus a. Fine. Now replace, which is equal to 1 by 2 into a divided by s will be replaced by s minus a, the square plus a square, minus a divided by s will be replaced by s plus a, the whole square, plus a square. Fine. Therefore, this is equal to, a is a common term, I will be taking it out, then a by 2 comes out, then inside the bracket 1 divided by expansion of this a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, so it is s square plus a square minus 2as plus a square, okay, minus 1 divided by expansion of s plus a whole square is what? S square plus a square plus 2as plus a square. Okay, So this is equal to a divided by 2 into 1 divided by, what is this? A square plus a square will be 2a square. So it becomes a square plus 2a square minus 2as minus 1 divided by a square plus 2a square plus 2as plus 2as. Fine. Then this is equal to, if you take LCM, a divided by 2 into, then what happens? If you wish to take, it can be taken as a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b will be what? A square minus b square. Therefore, a square plus 2a square the whole square minus 2as the whole square. Fine. A plus b into a minus b. Then here it will be a square plus 2a square plus 2as minus a square plus 2a square minus 2as. This is equal to a divided by 2 into a square get cancelled, a square get cancelled, 2as minus of minus plus 2as will be 4as divided by a square plus 2a square the whole square minus, this is 4a square a square. Okay. Therefore, Laplace transformation of f of t. What is f of t? This is nothing but L of f of t. What is f of t? F of t is nothing but sine hyperbolic at into sine at, which is equal to a into a square. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so directly we will be taking it as 2a square s divided by if you take its further expansion, then it becomes s raised to 4 plus 4a raised to 4 plus 2 times 2 into 2 will be 4 s square a square minus 4a square s square. Okay, so this term again get cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to 2a square s divided by s raised to 4 plus 4a raised to 4. Okay, Laplace transform of this is equal to 2a square s divided by s raised to 4 plus 4a raised to 4. Thank you.